Undoubtedly, Cardi B and Offset make up a powerful couple in the rap music industry. But one thing is for certain, their marriage is getting weird. In today's video, we will know the real score of Cardi B and Offset's marriage and what makes their relationship seem an odd one. But before we get into it, do me a favor and smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notifications whenever a new video is published. Let's start by getting to know them first. Cardi B. She is an all-time award-winning rapper that gains millions of followers in social media. In 2019, she got the Grammy Award for Best Rap Album for her album Invasion of Privacy, and the first female rap artist nominated for 15 years on an Album of the Year. She is known for her songs and raps such as Bodak Yellow and WAP. Offset. Offset's real name is Kiari Kendrell Cephus. He is a songwriter and rapper and a member of an American hip-hop trio Migos, which rose its fame year 2008 in Takeoff and Quavo. Now, we are going to trace the timeline of their relationship to know how their marriage is getting weird. Proposal or a peace offering? Cardi B and Offset's relationship started to be weird when Offset proposed last October 2017. But when asked about wedding plans, they both said that they don't have time to plan for that due to busy schedule. Rumors also spread that allegedly, the proposal is not totally a proposal but just a sort of peace offering. But who knows, they're stranger than that. Despite their busy schedule, it seems that it was just a cover-up. Their fans got skeptical upon knowing that the two already tied the knots months before the proposal happened. In one of the previous articles, a copy of their marriage certificate was leaked to the public, and people started to realize that the marriage actually happened last September 20, 2017, followed by Cardi's tweet saying that she already shared a lot about her life and there must be moments she was likely to keep for herself, and marriage was included in that list. So it only supported the idea that the proposal was supposed to be a peace offering because they're already married. On the other hand, TMZ reported that the proposal was made by Offset to give a ring that his girl deserves. Denying pregnancy. In early 2018, rumors had been swirling for months that Cardi B and Offset were expecting to have a baby. But the two couples denied the buzz. In an interview, Cardi B explained that she is just getting fat. But in April 2018, when Cardi B performed on Saturday Night Live, the camera zoomed in on her tight dress that made her baby bump too recognizable. After the show, she explicitly said that she is pregnant. Offset instantly followed her lead. Cardi and I are looking forward to our next chapter together. Okay, it seems that they are too fond of making things complicated. What's the point of denying it when it will surely come out? Roller coaster relationship. We are all aware that relationships must have their ups and downs, but we could imply that they're already used to it. At the beginning of 2018, Offset was suspected of infidelity to the extent of having sex tape filmed together with someone else. Though wishes like this weren't the first time to happen, Cardi B still makes it up to fix things. She still accepts Offset regardless of what he did, claiming that she was not aware of what he did and not an angel. Is it an indirect confession that they are both cheating? During the latter months of 2018, Cardi announces that she and Offset are already splitting up. Allegedly, the issue of cheating was once again the main problem. There are some rumors that Offset got a girl pregnant that added fuel to the fire. But weeks later, Offset apologized on Instagram for being a selfish, messed up husband and says he wants his wife back. January 31, 2019 is the exact date when the couple was reportedly reconciled. A report from TMZ stated that the couple already thought of calling their divorce off and got them back together. Sources also said that Cardi B and Offset finally returned to Atlanta. However, in September 2020, Cardi B filed a divorce again, exactly days before their third wedding anniversary. According to the documents reviewed by TMZ, Cardi filed for a divorce, but it turned out to be a contested divorce, which means that their separation was not agreed upon by both parties. It was dismissed without prejudice. That means Cardi B can refile a divorce case again in the next following years. Long-distance relationship. The two couples have two bustling rap careers, which is why they are apart. They are both coping up with a long-distance relationship. Cardi B resides in the Bronx, while Offset is a resident of Atlanta. Though they already got married, they still live separately. Nonetheless, they had committed to making their relationship work by any means necessary. One of them had to make adjustments so that their marriage could flourish. That person turned out to be Cardi B. In an interview, Cardi B explained that Offset was never comfortable in New York. Accordingly, Offset told her to move in with him in Atlanta. Cardi stayed in his house a couple of times but admitted that it is hard to live there. So Offset decided that they have to build their own house in Atlanta. Have you observed that Cardi B often speaks about decisions made by Offset? How about hers? That's what we are going to talk about next. Cardi B's indecisiveness. Another weird thing about their marriage is that Cardi had been too indecisive. She admitted that she is too indecisive to the extent that she values Offset's opinion most of the time, for she was not that good at decision making. Some people say it may be the reason why she ended up forgiving Offset and one of the main contributors to why they are still together despite countless infidelity and cheating issues. In an interview, she said, "I'm afraid to make my own decisions. I call him a lot." It also turned out that Offset even had the last say for naming their baby. He named the baby Culture Kyari Cephus that was born on July 10, 2018. Fans are against their relationship. When the cheating issue starts to circulate on the internet, Cardi B's fans were not quite about it. They have been in a rage. They often told Cardi that she wasn't supposed to be staying in their relationship because it was too toxic to handle. Cardi defends her husband from a follower who said that they don't like Offset. Cardi responded that she's not given care at all, whether they do or do not like him, but they should treat the father of her baby with respect. Gift given. Another weird thing about their marriage is how they show their affection in their only daughter through gift given, and another thing is their drastic way of spending their money. In 2019, when Offset turned 28, Cardi gave him a fridge with lots of money. Cardi explained that Offset already got every car, every jewelry, shoes, and everything in an Instagram video. So she just thought of giving him a refrigerator that's filled with money. The money inside was $500,000, as Cardi reveals. She also said that though he has money on his own, because she doesn't know what to buy for him, she decided to give the money to him so that he could buy whatever he wanted. Well, in 2020, she gave him a golden Lamborghini invented her SVJ for his 29th birthday, with a letter saying, "Happy birthday, Hobbs. I wish you many more. I want you to have more positivity, wisdom, health, and continue to have a good heart. Thank you so much for helping me these past months, getting my business in line." On the other hand, last February 16, 2021, rapper Cardi B also got an expensive gift from her husband Offset on the occasion of Valentine's Day this year. In a video posted on her Instagram profile, she showed the gift, a Chanel gold birdcage shaped bag, an exclusive pre-fall collection of the company. It also features diamonds wrapped around the top and the bottom of the bag with drawstring leather inside a birdcage. An iconic CC logo and pearl at the bottom of the pack were obvious. The Chanel bag cost about $20,500, in which Cardi B also shared the price tag. This followed by a post on Instagram saying, "Wow, thank you, baby at Offset YRN. You were always getting me something different. Love and appreciate you." The Chanel bag caused a lot of reactions in social media. We're all aware that it is tough to be at the top of the music industry. With that, few questions have emerged, such as, are they just doing weird things and are using their relationship to gain attention? Are they just using their popularity to keep on track of everything? Let me know your thoughts in the comment box down below. A quick reminder to like and subscribe to support the channel and help get the word out. Don't forget to hit the bell button to receive notifications so you don't miss out on future videos or live streams.